Hey guys, and welcome. Sorry I upload this late because I was busy. But anyways, here we go. Ponytail 776. Tail 53. Shirt 23. Belt 5962 for stomach. Also, yeah, guys, I am Sonic 19. I just changed my name into Sonic the Hedgehogs so that I won't lose my account. But anyways, 2960. I mean 6 for his white fur. Sleeves 24 for arms, 30 for gloves, and I think you know where this hand is. 1 for leg, shoes 59. $2,576 for the red stuff. Oh yeah, that's 22 glasses, 22 for other red stuff. And for the other red stuff, $2,449 for the other red stuff. Real hair, 29 for his ears. Oh my god, I swear to god. Yeah, I already got done with the body. Now it's time for the eyes. Eyes 97. $9,123 for his smirk. Wings 56 for spikes. $29 for wings 21 for tail. 73 for head. Oh my god, my hand is getting tired. Is it just me, or is my hand getting tired? I don't know, because my hand is getting very tired. And I feel tired. $3,573 for nose, and that's it. Just you already know. Just pull it. Just copy, and that too, and that too, and that too, and that too, and you're finished.